As mentioned earlier, the faculty members that I met while I was having, the initial taste of the cake here at Emory, they made a huge difference in terms of solidifying my desire to train here. And so after officially becoming a part of the Emory family, I, got to see a lot of those faculty members again, and I've gotten to work with them and rotate with them, other faculty members that I did not meet last summer, and everyone has been so welcoming. Everyone is really good with teaching and making sure that they play their role in terms of getting you to where you want to be in your career and making you a strong, solid clinician and someone who has the medical knowledge it takes to get to that point. And so faculty members here, I don't think make me feel intimidated to ask anything. I think that everything they do is for the betterment of me as a physician. And so my experience so far has been really wonderful. And then I touched on this a little bit before, but also as a Black woman in medicine, I've gotten a chance to just bond with so many other women that look like me in the department. I think that's very special. And I think that's something that I can't even overlook if I tried, because they make it a point to be there and they make it a point to say, you know what, we are here as a resource. And then other faculty members who don't necessarily look like me, who, especially those that remember me from last summer, they've been just so welcoming and so good with teaching and so good with making me feel comfortable in this new role as a physician. How about you, Dr. Neblett?
Well, I always say that I am who I am because of mentorship. Growing up in a small town from a low-income family that struggled with health issues and drug addiction. Like, I am who I am because of mentors. So I wanted to train at somewhere that had mentors for me, no matter what I decided to do with my life. And I think that this residency program does a great job with just from day one. Like, you were assigned a small group mentor with you, and from one person from each class that you can get together, go in a quiet area, meet up for fun, wherever you want to go. We recently went bowling. That was fun. That you can just have it just away, ask whatever questions that you want, just get anything off your chest, ask, what questions you think may be dumb or whatever. But that you have a chance to learn and ask upper level residents. And so not only do you have that small group mentor, but it's sort of like Emory challenge you along the way, as far as even with research, they give you a mentor or encourage you to find a mentor. You're going to be giving grand rounds in your third year that you repair with a mentor. No matter what specialty you go to, we have basically everything here at Emory. And so there's many mentors, and really it's really easy to kind of go up and ask someone that I've seen. It's so easy for us to be sort of scared to ask, sometimes people of seniority to ask them things, but in the past 3 years or so, it's been so easy. If I need something or ever need anything or I have a question, it's so easy to go up to someone and ask them for help, advice, kind of what they would want to do. So, there's just such huge diversity of mentors here.
Yeah, I love that. And to your point about just how stress-free it can be to get a research mentor, because research is an aspect of our training. I'll give a specific example. I'm already thinking about my RD project, and as residents, we work on research, as you mentioned. And so as these thoughts are floating in my head, I reached out to our faculty member who was in charge of research, and as soon as she heard what the idea was, she immediately had an idea for who I can reach out to serve as a faculty mentor. All it took was one email, and we already have a meeting set up to discuss what the idea is. And so it was literally the most stress-free process ever. And so I think that says a lot.
I think with your point of how quick it is, for me personally, I'm interested in pursuing an REI fellowship. And so once I had that early exposure to REI and found out this is what I would do as a career choice, I told one person in the department, it sort of everyone knew about it, and all these opportunities came for opportunities to hear about more research opportunities and to sort of get exposure to REI, and now applying to fellowship. It's so easy. I can text someone in the department and say, what do you think about this program or these people or whatever, and get immediate feedback. So it's been very, very helpful.
Yeah. The other important thing about a program is its program director, and having a program director you feel you can reach out to. Mm-hmm. And so with Dr. Arluck being our program director, she made it clear on day one of orientation, if there's anything you all ever need, please do not feel, intimidated or feel like you can't reach out to me. And so I think having that open line of communication has also made a difference. As new residents, we have, in the beginning, we had no idea what was left, what was right, what was up, what was down. And so having that with our program director and our assistant program directors, Dr. Risk and Dr. Davenport, they've been so open, and they've just been people we know, and I'm comfortable speaking on behalf of my class about this, people we know we can reach out to and just be comfortable asking questions and anything that we feel like we need clarification on. So
I completely agree.